In this video, we will go over the best ways to relieve stress according to your sign. Watch till the end to find out the one thing that helps all 12 signs relieve stress. Comment below if you agree. Aries like to be surrounded by friends. They are normally the life of the party. Going to bars, dancing, or going any place with a group of friends can be very helpful. Forget about their stress. Taurus are the exact opposite. Staying home and being around the one person they are most comfortable with is the best way a Taurus can de-stress. Gemini crave new adventure. They enjoy traveling. If it's not possible, a new TV show or even an exciting new book can help remove stress. Virgo will stress about every detail. They can easily overthink things. Taking a good nap to get their mind off of things can help reset and think more clear. Leo like to be active. Exercise helps the most when they need to get rid of stress. Go for a swim, go to the gym, or even just a walk around the block. Libra like to focus on helping others more than themselves. It's best to put their energy into themselves. Watch their favorite movie or go to their favorite coffee shop. Anything they like to do and not worry what others want to do. Cancer. It takes a while to get the trust of a Cancer. In stressful situations, Cancers like to be close to the few people they trust the most. Scorpio are problem solvers with a bit of a dark side. Watching a good unsolved mystery show can help remove stress. Many say smoking helps them see things from a different perspective. Sagittarius feel most comfortable at home and surrounded by friends and family. Hosting a party at their home is something that could help in times of stress. Capricorn crave structure. Unlike most signs, a Capricorn will most likely be stressed over lack of work. If stressed, try to regain control of the situation. Plan your next week. Aquarius. The mind of Aquarius constantly craves new learning experiences. The best way to refresh is to do something spontaneous. Go to a new restaurant, go to a concert, go to a lecture. What is the one thing that all 12 signs agree on? During sex, your body releases endorphins and oxytocin, and these feel-good hormones create feelings of relaxation and intimacy, as well as helping anxiety and depression.